I'm so glad they're still here. After all these years, they never took them down. At least the one good thing of all the stuff that I've seen that isn't around anymore after all these years is the Canadian geese are still hanging from the roof of the Eaton Center. That's a great Canadian thing to say. I don't know why, but it's just cool. Because we used to spitball those things. Anyway, I guess I got to get up to Richmond Hill now. I've only got a little bit of time to get up there. So let's see if I can get up to Richmond Hill without getting rained on. That would be awesome. Oh, I got one more thing to do. Okay, let's go check out the path. Awesome, I think that's a good idea. Where is it? Where are we going? We need to go down. We need to go down.